Diana. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my makeup routine, how I get ready. This is my go-to makeup routine for when I'm running errands or I'm just around the house or I'm gonna meet up with friends to go eat. So if you want to continue to see what products I use and how I apply them, then go ahead and continue watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like down below and subscribe as well. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. To start off my makeup routine, I usually start with a daily moisturizer, and I use the Aveeno Positively Radiant Daily Moisturizer because it makes my skin feel really soft, but it also has SPF 15, which I love. It helps protect my skin, and it also smells pretty good. And this has been my longtime friend. After I'm done with my daily moisturizer, I grab the POREfessional's pore primer. I go in with my foundation, and I use the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, which looks like this, and I am in the color Olive. I don't put it directly onto my face just because it's more of like the thicker foundation, so I put some on my hand. And so with my beauty blender, I'm gonna just grab some and start tapping it in. And I try not to put a lot under my under eye because I'm still going to add concealer. So I want to make sure that it's not cakey under my under eye. Like my forehead area and my eye area last, just because I usually just use what I have left over for that part. Once I'm done with my foundation, I'm gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape Contour Concealer. Looks like this. I am in the shade medium. So I just usually grab whatever's on the wand. Then I go into my contour, and I use the Contour Cream Kit by Anastasia, and it's in the shade medium. And the only shade that I use in this contour kit is in the shade Cinnamon, and it would be this one right here. And so I grab Bare Minerals Coverage Concealer that looks like this, and I only do like a little bit of it because a little goes a long way with this kit, and I learned that the hard way the first time I ever used it. Then what I'm gonna do is I am going to grab my Real Techniques contour brush, and I'm gonna start blending it in. I usually start with my contour because if I mess up, like I put too much contour or it's not blending, I can use a concealer to fix my mistakes. So You guys can see, like, I have a lot of little hairs in my skin, so that's why it's really hard. I really don't want to laser my little hairs off just because I feel like it protects my skin. Once I did razor them off, and then I got TMI, but I got like a bunch of pimples like in this area. And so from then on I was like, no, I'm not going to laser my little hairs off, even if they annoy me sometimes. After I am done with my contour, I go in with my buff brush and I start blending in the cream concealer. With my cream concealer and contour, so I use my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I grab my Techniques contour brush, but this is a different one now. So once I finish with my powder bronzer, then I go in with my eyeshadow, and I have the Morphe palette, and it's very much loved. You can see that I use it a lot. So I grab this like skin tone color, just a little bit, tap off the excess, and then I just apply it. Grab this overly used orange. I'm gonna go into this like burgundy color right here. After I do my eyeshadow, I grab my Tarte blush, and it is in the shade Peaceful. It looks like this. I use an angled brush like this. I love blush. It just like makes your face pop, and so I just kind of apply it all over my face. If I ever do apply too much, I just go in with a multitask brush and I just like fluff it out. Just keep doing that until after I'm done with my blush, I go in with my highlight. I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated Trio. I don't know, I always have such a difficult time choosing which highlight I'm gonna use. So I think I'm gonna go with Oasis today. So I'm gonna use my brush. I am done with my highlight, I start doing my eyebrows, and I use the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. It's in the color brunette, and it looks like this. It has a spoolie on one side, and then on the other side it has the color. I think they're pretty good. I cleaned them up a bit with my Anastasia. I go back into my Anastasia contour kit, and I use this shade right here, and it's called Banana. So once I'm done with my eyebrows, and I'm gonna go into my eyelashes. Grab my L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. It looks like this, and it's in the color black. It's called Blackest Black. Something just got in my eye. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's okay, just breathe. So after I'm done with my eyelashes, I grab my Burts BeesWax lip balm and I apply some onto my lips, and I grab like a little piece of toilet paper that I've been using, and I just like rub it off, and because I just needed it to moisturize my lips. So after I'm done taking off the moisturizer from my lips, I grab my Buxom lipstick, and it's matte Sinful Cinnamon. Once I am complete with my whole makeup routine, I use the NYX Professional Makeup, and it's a dewy finish. That's it, guys. That's my whole makeup routine. Don't forget to give this a like down below and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. But I'll see you guys on next time on my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
My strawberry kisses, I could fly.